Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
PixaLogo 4.0 review. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we will talk about this offer PixaLogo 4.0. It is going to be a very short video. So on the sales page right now it says time to fire your graphic designer. From today, create your professional business logo without hiring expensive designer. No high dollar bills, save your time and money. Brand a new logo bundle, ultimate to help you create a professional logo in minutes using PowerPoint. Hurry up early, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so what is this? This is going to give you a bunch of logos, okay, all customizable. So if you buy this PixaLogo 4.0, I think you will get hundreds of logos already. All you will need to do is just edit them and put in your brand name, and then either you use it for your own business or you use it for commercial purposes, and you can become a freelancer and become a logo designer, and you can give your services on Fiverr.com or freelancing websites, and you can make some money, okay? Especially if you go on peopleperhour.com, right? If you go onto the website peopleperhour.com, there a lot of clients, a lot of people come to buy logo design services, okay? So the website is called, I can show you, people per hour, as you see here. So you visit this website, and on this website people come most frequently to order these logo design services, and you can charge people $50, $100, maybe more for one logo design, okay? And you don't need to design anything, because they will give you these logos, hundreds of logos, and all you will need to do is open PowerPoint on your computer. So open up that MS PowerPoint which comes from Microsoft Office, and then you can edit all these templates or all these logos in your PowerPoint, and then download them and then hand over to the client, okay? So you can only use it in two ways: for yourself, personal need, for your own business, for your own brand, or if you want, you can sell this as a logo design service on your freelancing profile. If you are already an established, you are already doing this freelancing. So let's say you do SEO for people, or you write articles for people, or you create websites for people. So you can also include this service, that you will also design some logos for people, okay? So this will be an extra gig for you. It's going to be like $17 a one-time cost, and then you can keep all these logos for you. You get the commercial license, and the key features are 340 plus pro level logo templates, fully editable in PowerPoint, as I have told you. So this is not any software. You will not have to log in, I guess, anywhere. You can download these logos, open them in PowerPoint, edit them in PowerPoint, and then download them on your PC, okay? So they will show you, they have the training. It says step-by-step video tutorials will be provided to you. Free commercial license, which means you can sell these logos on freelancing websites as well, okay? So here you go, with professional looking logo design, you can boost blah blah blah. You can read everything on the sales page. I will try to make this review very, very short. It's nothing much to talk here. They are simply giving you some logos, and you have to pay them. That's it, okay? So you can go on a sales page and check out everything. These are the templates you can see here. These will be the kind of logos which you will get from here. 50 brand logos, 50 brand, you have some modules here. Module 1, then you have module 2, 3, 4, I don't know, but these are some sample of the logos you can see here. If you like them, then you can grab the copy, okay? If you want to buy such logos, and then you can put in your company name here, and you can make it your own brand. If you are let's say you are a musician, right? You are you play guitar, you play piano, whatever. So this is going to be cool for some guitarist, okay? If you play guitar, you have some band, whatever, right? So you can try to use these kind of logos. You will get hundreds of them, right? So yeah, 95 logo elements. And let's get to the bottom here. Let's see what you get, right? 200 pro level logo. So I guess they might have some upsells as well. So you will have to figure out what are you getting in front end, what are you getting in upsells. And then this is bonuses here, I guess. Free commercial license plus more handmade bonuses, okay? So Pixa mockups, I don't know what is that. Pixa presentation, I have no idea, but this must have been any of their old products, I guess. So you're getting those as bonuses. Satisfaction guarantee, or get your money back, okay? 30 days money back guarantee. And what is this PixaLogo 4.0? So it's a collection of business logo templates. It is not a software, okay? It is not a software, not a plugin, not a WordPress theme. They will give you just these logos, and then you edit them into PowerPoint, okay? how do I edit it? You only need PowerPoint to edit the logo template. Also, the logo files are compatible to edit with Adobe Illustrator. If you are technical, then you might know what is this Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, and Canva. So if you are not a technical person, you can still go on Canva, okay? Go on to canva.com and you can edit these logos on canva.com on the cloud, okay? Don't have to download anything. You don't have to open this you don't have to open this Microsoft PowerPoint or Adobe. You can go into canva.com, upload these logos, and you can edit it on the Canva website, okay? You will just need to sign up or log in on canva.com and you will be good to go, okay? Are fonts included? So let's see. We'll provide you links from which you may download fonts used in PixaLogo 3.0. Now, I am not a logo designer, so I do not know what is this font means. The font, I guess, if you use canva.com, okay? If you use canva.com, you will find so many fonts there, okay? Fonts is like you want to change the looks of these letters, okay? So if you want to be italics or in some other, fancy looking design, then you will need to use some fonts. But if you use canva.com, you will find unlimited fonts there anyway, okay? What is your refund policy? Read everything, I guess 30 days, okay? And what is the license? So you get an unlimited personal and clients project. So you can use it for your clients project and for yourself, obviously, but you cannot resell it. You cannot resell it anyway, okay? Go ahead, read everything, and you have 30 days money back guarantee. Okay, so that's it. That's the end of this product, PixaLogo 4.0. There's nothing much in this to tell you. This is this gives you these logos. If you have $17 and if you want these logos, go and pick up your copy, nothing more, okay? And this will not make you rich, okay? Whether you do freelancing, whether you use it in your client's project and you charge people for giving them this logo, it's not gonna make you rich. First of all, you will not find clients that easily, okay? And second is, people don't come and buy logos every day, okay? So yes, every month you might get one sale, or maybe every 2 months you might get one sale here and there, but it's not a way to make money online, right? So if you have the personal need, then maybe pick up the copy, but don't buy this, don't buy this by thinking that you'll start making money, okay? If you want to make money online, then start doing what I do. Go ahead, create your YouTube channel, make YouTube videos, get your YouTube channel monetized, and then you will start making money, okay? Before you do all that, if you want to learn everything how to do this, then I'll tell you before that, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I always forget to say all this. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, press the bell notification, and leave your comments, okay? So if you want to make real money online, you can do one thing. You can go down below. This is, below the description right now. So below this video, you will find this description, okay? Here in the description, you see the first link which says make money with traffic Jarvis, right? The first link says make money with traffic Jarvis. Second link says make money with cash tracking. You might have to click on show more to find the second link. Otherwise, it's okay. So the first one is saying traffic Jarvis, click on the link, right? Once you click on the link, then you will be taken to another page. Watch that video till the end, okay, on that page, because traffic Jarvis will help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel in 2 weeks, okay? Because in case you are interested in making money online on YouTube, or you want your YouTube channel to be monetized fast, then first of all, you need to know that you will need to have those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on your YouTube channel within last 12 months. And if you have been trying so hard and your YouTube channel is not growing, or you are not getting it monetized, so with the help of traffic Jarvis, once you click on this and once you watch the video on that page, you will learn what to do to get your YouTube channel monetized within a month, and we can help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks, okay? And all that is the part of traffic Jarvis, okay? This is a 14 hours YouTube course, okay? Second link says make money with cash tracking. That stands for keep it simple and stupid. Cash tracking will teach you, teach you everything what I am doing right now, okay? So if you want to make money by making these kind of review videos, then make sure you try this cash tracking, because in cash tracking you will learn exactly what I'm doing right now, how to find these products, how to find how to get your links approved, how to make these videos, how to actually go ahead and upload your videos. So if you want to learn everything exactly what I am doing on this channel, then you can check out cash tracking, okay? But these these two programs are YouTube courses, okay? So you should be ready to work on YouTube, and you can make YouTube videos in 2 ways. Either you show up your face and record yourself in the videos and then talk about the product, or else you can be like me and you can just give your voice and record your laptop screen, and that's how you can make your videos, okay? it has been working for me. I don't have to come on the camera, right? So I don't have to show my face and I'm still making my money, okay? So if you want to know how to make money on YouTube, then you can check out these two things, traffic jarvis and kishacking. And let me tell you the difference as well. In kishacking, you will only make money when somebody will buy from your affiliate links, okay? And also in kishacking, your YouTube channel does not get monetized within a month. It takes around 10 to 12 months if you follow kishacking. But if you follow traffic jarvis, then your YouTube channel will be monetized within a month. And also once your YouTube channel gets monetized, then you start making money with every single view, with every single video on your channel, okay? Because once the YouTube channel is monetized, then YouTube will start displaying ads in your videos. The more ads people will see in your videos, the more money your video is going to make for you, okay? So yes, if you follow traffic jarvis, you can start making money from next month as soon as your YouTube channel gets monetized without selling anything, okay? But if you want to do affiliate marketing and make money with selling, then you can try kishacking, because in kishacking, I'm telling you again, you will not make money until unless people buy from you, okay? But it is going to be different for everybody. So if you are a beginner only, if you know nothing about YouTube and you only want to try it for a few days, then you can try kishacking. But if you are serious, dedicated about YouTube, getting your channel monetized, and you want to make some serious money on YouTube, then you can check out traffic jarvis, okay? In any case, click on these two links. Watch the videos till then, okay? PixaLogo 4.0, good to go from my end. If you have the need, go and buy it. And in the end here now, I'm going to go ahead and talk about some bonuses. And before that, you should go ahead and check out traffic jarvis and kishacking, okay? Now in the end, let's go ahead and give you some bonuses. All right, now before you go to this website called idplr.com, as you can see at the top, now before you open this website, make sure you go to the videos of other YouTubers whosoever is offering you a bonus, okay? Now, I do not have a problem if somebody is offering you some bonuses, that is fine. But I do have a problem when somebody is putting a price tag on those bonuses, okay? So somebody might, he's might gonna say that I'm giving you a $10,000 bonus. Somebody might say it's a $20,000 bonus. Somebody might say a random number, okay? So that's where my problem is, because who gave you the right to put a price tag on those bonuses, okay? Did you spend those $10,000 to buy those bonuses and then are you offering it for free? So if you purchase those bonuses for $10,000, then why don't you do me a favor, go ahead and transfer me those $10,000 bonuses and keep those softwares to yourself, okay? So leave these kind of comments below the videos, whosoever is giving you a $10,000, $20,000 bonus, okay? So tell them, hey buddy, I've seen your video, I have seen your review, and you're offering so many bonuses, so do me a favor, instead of giving me these PLR or ebooks or softwares, why don't you go ahead and transfer me that money into my bank account, or just PayPal me that money, okay? So leave these kind of comments, have some fun, because you need to tell them that you know what they're doing, okay? Show them the mirror that you can't do this anymore in 2021 now, okay? Everybody is being smart. You have to be alert on the internet and stop worrying about bonuses. But because I'm giving you this website called idplr.com, and there are many more other websites similar to this which you can go ahead and search about. And once you find all those websites, or let's say once you go onto this one, idplr.com, you go to the section called free products. Under free products, you have free ebooks, free software, free videos, free audio, free graphics, free templates, okay? Now, whatever you want from here, you can click on that category. If you want some free ebooks, if you want some free software, if you want some free videos, whatever you want, click on that category. Then you will see all those free ebooks. And then before you can download them, all you will need to do is you'll have to click on here on the top right, which says register for free. So register for free, create an account on this website, then log in. And once you're logged in, then you can download all these products totally for free, okay? There's no charge. And then from now on, you can be a bonus producer, okay? So stop looking for bonuses. From now on, you can throw away these bonuses on the faces of those people who are offering you bonuses, okay? So if this is only one website I'm giving you, you can do your own research and find more websites similar to this, okay? And that is how you can collect as many bonuses you want. You can use them personally if you want to, or you can start offering some bonuses from today onwards, okay? So this is all about bonuses. Now in the end, we'll talk about the real deal here. The real deal is that how to get your YouTube channel monetized, okay? Because we are focusing on making money on the internet using YouTube, because YouTube is very powerful, right? I'll tell you why you should use YouTube, because YouTube, gives you multiple income streams, okay? First income stream is that if your channel is monetized, then you make money with the YouTube, ad revenue. YouTube pays you for all the ads which will, come up within your video. Okay, so that's one income stream which is major, that okay, you run you get your channel monetized and then you run some ads within your videos and then you will get paid by YouTube. That's very good. Okay, second method is that if you're doing affiliate marketing, you can promote some products in the description of your videos, and if you get some sales, that's your second source of income. Okay, third is if you are a consultant. Okay, if you, let's say you're an accountant, you're a lawyer, you are in some, you're a plumber, whatever you are, right? So you can offer your services to people online, or maybe to somebody locally in your area. So they will find you on YouTube, they'll come across your video, they will see what which services you're offering or what kind of consultation you're offering, and if they're interested, they will contact you, and that is how you can charge them. So this will be the third source of income. Okay, now I do not know any other platform which gives you multiple sources of income, at least 3 sources. Okay, so YouTube gives you that. If you don't do affiliate marketing, if you do not have any services or product to offer, then you still make money with YouTube ad revenue. Okay, so until and unless your channel is not monetized, till then you can do affiliate marketing and try to get some sales or try to offer some consultation services. And once your channel gets monetized, then you open that third source of income as well, which is YouTube ad revenue. Okay, that is why we talk about getting your YouTube channel monetized. Right now, if you're struggling to get those 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours, or you want to start a new channel altogether, then make sure you watch this video till the end, because we'll talk about how to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 1 to 2 weeks, organically, ethically, and legally. And also we have something for those people who are not able to make YouTube videos for some reason. Okay, because we have to understand here, not everybody can come and speak in the mic, or not everybody is coming is comfortable in coming front of the camera, right? So YouTube may not be for everyone. I can understand, because you will have your restrictions, you will have your limitations, right? So you may not want to come on YouTube for whatever reason. So in that case, we have an option for you. You can do all this in the back end. Okay, back end means that whatever I'm doing right now on YouTube in video format, you can do all that in text format, and that's called blogging reviews. Okay, so blogging reviews means that whatever I'm telling you right now, so you can write all that on your website, and you don't have to speak, you don't have to come on the camera. You simply write a review on your website, you publish your review on the website, and whenever somebody reads your review, they will click on the affiliate links in between the blocks, in between your review page, and when they click on those links and when they buy something, you will get some affiliate commissions. Okay, and this has to be a long-term strategy, because when it comes to blogging takes time. So it will be long-term, but you have to start from somewhere. Okay, so we will show you how to get those reviews, because when I say write the reviews, you don't really have to write anything from your your own end or your own mind. I'll show you how to find the reviews from the internet, then make them unique, and then publish them on your website and blog. And that is how you can go ahead and write so many reviews every day, and eventually within a month or so, or 2, 2, 3, 4, whatever time duration will be, within in the long term, within 6 months or so, you will start getting results. Like you will start getting 1 or 2 sales every day if you work hard. Okay, so this is how you have to implement the strategy. If you can work on YouTube, very good. Okay, then contact us and then watch the video till the end. And if you can't do YouTube videos for whatever reason, then choose blogging reviews. Okay, so now watch this video till the end. This is going to be very crucial to you, so make sure you watch the video till the end and do subscribe to this channel as well.